On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, Otter gang? Let's go, baby. Oh, man. That took a lot. I'm actually, I got a bit of a cold again. I got like a, I don't know, sore throat. So you got to put up with me. I don't have the voice yet. Maybe tomorrow I'll have the voice. But oh, my God. I can't get out of it. I was the snotter gang like 2 weeks ago. Now it's like right back. Maybe I should take some. Tony, what do you think? Tony, maybe I should do some more teaching in other communities. Maybe take on a couple more teaching gigs. I think that would help me out a bit. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we're all doing well. I'm gonna have everybody mentioning their beautiful. What is their remedy to fixing the beautiful? My beautiful throat here. Good morning, Billy, Tony Soprano, Sniper's Nightmare, HFG, Play the Great, OG Blockchain, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Dan Bartley. Good morning to you guys. Good to see you guys in the chat. Dusty, good morning to you. Donato Cabrera and Alexandra G. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin. Jedi Gaze, Caveman. What's going on, everybody? How about a 24/7 live stream? Okay. The longest, what was that one I did? I think I did 7 hours or 9 hours. It was one or the other. Oh, man. Push up into 786 right now. Nice push for Bitcoin. Ripping. We got some volatility coming in this morning, everybody. A bullish divergence down in here. Flip a VWAP. Push up into this high zone here. We got Bitcoin ripping to the upside. Now to the downside. It's going everywhere. My God, we got some volatility. No news data just yet. I don't know, unless Orange Man's tweeting. I can't tell you if he's tweeting or not. But we pushing and pumping and going everywhere right now. Volume has kicked up a little bit. Sweep of the highs here. Order block in here. 786 coming up. Okay, trying to push right now. As you can see, nice push. I don't know if you want to call this a flag. I don't know if you want to call it inverse head and shoulders. You guys tell me what your favorite pattern is. I got a balloon dog pattern. I got a stiletto pattern. Okay. I got I don't know. I got some patterns for you guys. We can go over some patterns. Got a little bit of volatility coming in here. We are expecting it's very simple. It's very simple. We're in a range. Okay, everybody? We're in a range between 85.5 and 82.8. Okay, here's our range. We're trying to push out of our range to the highs to 86.4. If we can push, great. If we don't push, we come down. Who would have thought? Okay, and we try to position ourselves accordingly. Okay, ain't here to do yoga. We got a bunch of previous day pivots below us and VWAP, so possibly a sell opportunity coming in right now. I would like confirmation off of a sell here. Okay, don't want to jump the gun just yet. Okay, I know yesterday we should have jumped the gun and pressed sell, but right now this is pretty aggressive with the volume. I don't know if they're trapping longs. All I know is that you guys are here with me, so thank you for being here, hanging out on the live stream. We do have news at 8:30. Okay, so I'm gonna be patient till 8:30. We got building permits and house starts. Okay, this is all for Billy. Billy's here for the data, whatever you want to call them. But we're here for the data. We'll see how that goes today. Stuck in a short from 83,000. Yikes. Hopefully it dumps for you, my friend. F this range unholy audio. Yeah, yesterday Jerome Powell liquidated everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with the gang. I appreciate you guys being here. I don't know how we already have like 200 people in here, but thank you for being here. Incredible. Yesterday was a bit of a hard one. It turned out to be a really profitable day. I made about 2,200 yesterday. Crazy. I shorted the shorts off of that Jerome Powell speech. Great day. Flipped bullishly after that loss at the end of the stream yesterday. You know, we're not going to be perfect here, right? And that's one thing I do say is, you know, it's never financial advice. It's for you guys to take trades based on your beautiful setups and your beautiful ideas. You can take what I say with a grain of salt. I'm just here to try and help you out and hopefully guide you in some direction that helps you be profitable. That's all I can offer. OG Blockchain, good to see you. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. Crypto King, good to see you, bro. LJ HFG, call me Dave. Albert Radjag, good, my man. Niels, good to see you as well. Bout, Marco, Dave Digital, LJ, my man. Good to see you as well. Like 19 is Dave Digitals. Slowing down now, so little pop of volatility. This should be everybody's warning sign today. Everybody's warning sign is the volume. Okay, you see that? That is called liquidation. Is it water on the knee? Liquidation. So be careful here. Always use good risk management. We were 1 for 3 yesterday. Okay, a good long, a good stop out, another good stop out, and then a great long and a great short yesterday. David Shanklin. We can go over yesterday's trading day. HFG, Emmanuel Bayodi. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Rob S. Good to see you as well. Wayne C. Paul Caruso. Inverse head and shoulders. A head and shoulders is not horrible. Okay? It's not horrible. Depends on the tilt, Tony. I just, I hate when people are like, okay, there's a head and shoulders here. There's a head and shoulders here. There's a head and shoulders here, knees and toes. Anyways, they do work. I mean, market structure-wise, it does make sense, right? You get a higher high and a higher low, and you push up. Crypto Rob, good morning. Oscar as well. Francis Depena, good morning to you. Crypto Billy, my man. Dream big. Love the name. Eddie. Otters travel in groups called rafts. That's the one. Maelstrom, good morning to you. HFG, my man. Philip C. Jas. Buck, good morning to you. Max, Quick Smoker, my man. James Millman. Jedi Gaze. Looks like we got a bit of continuation here trying to push up. I'd say a little bit overextended coming for this high right now. To me, this looks like we're trapping. We're trapping longs. We'll see. We'll see. A little bit of patience here. The Rising Sun, good morning. Good to see you. Liak, good morning. Glenn Von Vonkaka. A beatbox for motivation piece. Oh, man, my throat's too sore, man. Boom, boom, chat, boom, boom. Boots and cats and boots and cats. Boots and cats and boots and cats. Boots, cats, boots, boots, cats, boots, cats, boots, boots, cats. There you go. Are you not entertained? Good morning, Milan. Al Jr., good morning. Good to see you, bro. Dave Digital. I eat well thanks to my wife, okay? My wife is I have been slacking a little bit on the working out. I will not deny that. I've been slacking on the working out. I haven't been slacking on the golf though, so I need balance in my life. Maybe that's it. San Miguel works for me. Let's go wait and see. A sandwich and some San Miguel. Rolling over here, so we got an order block in here, 786 up here. Massey, good morning to you. Wally, Dex, good morning. Jas. $100 to $500 challenge in 24 hours. That sounds like very degenerate over leveraged trading. 5x in an account. King Andrew, good morning. Alex, you should do street TA 24/7. Yeah, just like have like a, what's that guy? What's that movie where Jude Law and he's got like the recording and the bubble suit on? Everybody's sick. I can't remember that movie, but get one of those things, right? Just walk around TA all day. Joni, Quick Smoker. Good morning, Niels. How's it going, Billy? Good to see you, bro. Have you been kicking ass, taking names? JR, good morning to you. Two Brews, hello again, friend. Good to see you, man. Crypto Same. Hola, gangsters. I mean, we are in a gang here. The safest gang of all. Head and shoulders. Okay. The shampoo's not too bad either, is it? Unholy Audio, good morning to you. BC hates patterns. I don't hate patterns. They're relevant. They need confirmation. Pietro, good morning. Shepard, good morning. Good to see you. Aaron as well. Thank you guys for being here. Need some hot tea. I just got coffee, Billy. I think it's contagion. You guys know what I'm talking about. How did you scale your account to $1,000? Risk management, strategy, compounding risk management, right? So if you have $100 and you make 100 and you're risking $1 to make $3, right? Once your $100 turns into 103, okay, then you're risking $1.3 and so on and so forth, right? Right? Then you're risking $1.1. Okay, so you're compounding your account, which will allow your account to grow exponentially. Okay? And it feels like you're getting nowhere at first. But once you're at $75, right? And you're putting 1.7 on, and you compound that, and it's 3.5, right? It grows, man. I'm telling you. Well, I did it, so you can do it too. You can do it too. I mean, right now, 3 weeks ago, I started with 10K, and I'm up to 29.6. Okay, 3 weeks ago. Magic, isn't it? But takes Good risk management. Got to let your winners run. I mean, I shorted this yesterday. So after the live yesterday, I flipped long here. So breakdown, retest of previous highs. I took this long up here and I took this short down here. And then I even took a long in here yesterday. So even though I had minus 250, $500, minus $500, I had $1,500. I think this was another $1,500, another $600. So getting stopped out properly will allow you to grow your account, okay? Especially if you have a profitable strategy. If you're not managing your risk, you're not going to get anywhere. I promise you that. Because if your account is growing and then you don't manage your risk, you're right back to zero. And that's detrimental. You're not going to get anywhere. And you're ruining yourself of your greatest gift in trading. What is your greatest gift in trading? It's time. Okay, if I started trading the way I trade now 3 years ago, when me, Sniper's Nightmare, were 100x leveraging, okay? If we just made, let's look at it this way. If we made $50 a day, okay? Let's say there's 250 trading days a year, times 3. I mean, that's 40 grand, baby. And that's just like a small account, $50 a day, right? Think about it. Think about it. That's all I got to say, man. I mean, if I just started off right, you know. Wait a minute. Get it how you live it. 10 toes in when you standing on the business. Big stepper, underground method. I'm going to get demonetized. What's going on, Wick? Good to see you. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. 3 trades yesterday, $3 gains. There you go. Beautiful. Clip it. Love it. That's the way. Do I have a video on proper risk management? 1%. It doesn't have to be rocket science, does it? 1% per trade. When I'm risking $300, $400, $500, $600, 1% is $1,000 for me. I'm risking less than 1%. Okay? That's taken time, right? To build it up. Continuation here. Looking for the sweep of the highs now. Like if you're adding size, like to your winners, you can go 2-3%, right? But you better manage your damn risk. All right. If it's an A+ setup and you've seen it a million times, you're allowed to put more size on. I agree with that. I do it. Right. Like this trade yesterday, this is a $300,000 trade I put on here, and this was take profit, right? Very quick. But the whole crew knew we were looking for this. We did a live stream yesterday in the Discord. I went, we're looking for this. That's what we're looking for. I said that to everybody on the live stream yesterday. I can show you the recording if you want to see it. I drew this. I said, if it was me, I'd be looking for this. That's exactly what I drew. Ask the gang. I can find the clip, but ask the gang. They'll tell you. Alex says size matters. Yeah, position size does matter. Whether it's small or big, you should always manage your risk, right? Every video is a display of proper risk management. Live examples, exactly. I'm in no positions right now, no. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's a great discussion this morning. I enjoy this. It's better than talking about... What were we talking about yesterday? I mean, we were talking about douche canoes and wanking chariots. Oh, it doesn't get much better than that. We can go there, too, if you guys want. Billy's in the chat, though, so let's behave ourselves a little bit. Android good, phone bad. Good morning, Wave Cypher. Good to see you. Mama Bull, good to see you. Gang, gang, gang. I kind of want to pull up the video yesterday from the top-down analysis. Where was it? We did 3 lessons yesterday. I can't keep up with you guys. 3 lessons, taking profits. What else did we cover yesterday? Taking profits. Because we're making profits, right? Profits, not profits, you know the saying. Over trading, we covered over trading as well because everything looks good recently. Pardon me for coughing in the mic. I'm sorry, guys. Pushing up here, no trade still. Crypto Princess, good morning to you. We need to bring back the days where you take your battery out of your phone and fresh one. The good old days, Billy. Indestructible Nokias. Normal head and shoulders fake out more and only reach full target less than half the time. That's pretty wild. Good morning, Froth. Defiant, good morning. Good to see you. I did message you, Defiant, with an update on the membership thing. Make sure you check that. Evan McMillan, good morning, man. Good to see you, brother. How you doing? Adam Cohen. We got a nice push here. Nice push here coming through. Okay. No need to chase this. If anything, we're looking for to sell here. However, we are pushing up. So what are we looking at here today? Really vicious range, right? We had, the pump, the dump, the chop, the pop. Okay, so really just wrecking bulls and bears in here. Jerome Powell kicking ass, taking names as usual. Okay, so we can look for a breakout, retest, continuation here, or we can mitigate the low here and look for a retest and back down to the bottom of the range. I would really like to see this low taken over here. Okay. However, it doesn't need to happen. We are range bound. If we are going to drop lower, we're looking for this 81,400 as usual. Doesn't mean we have to go there. There's liquidity in the lows here, but if we are going to push, that would be nice. As you can see, we have a little bit of downtrending momentum here. We'd like to see, some sort of push. We do have my favorite pattern of all time is a symmetrical triangle. It is absolutely my least favorite pattern ever. Okay, everybody? I hate this pattern. I hate it. It's a 50-50 pattern. And I hate when price does it. It's it'll fake me out and dump on my ass. That's what happens every time. So I don't trade it typically. I just stay away from it. Sometimes you just see things and you've been burned by them too many times. You want to put your hand on the stove one more time and get burnt. That's up to you. Me? No, thank you. I ain't in that game. Okay? However, SFP of the high, I will short this thing back down to 0. Okay? Especially after this bullish momentum in here. Looking at our 1 hour, it still has room to the upside, but our 4 hour, 3 hour trigger wave Jesus take the wheel pattern. I don't know if you guys know this pattern, but it starts like this and then trigger wave. And this trigger wave typically can pop up quite aggressively. Okay, Jesus take the wheel, especially with good old strong money flow. So be aware of that. But the Jesus take the wheel is definitely a great Easter. You know, we got 3 days left till Easter. The bunny is coming. The bunny is coming. So make sure you're behaving yourself. So right now, overextended. I do think we can push here, but I'm not ready to fade this just yet. Like, I would like to see something here to say, let's go back down. You got a little bit of a retest of previous highs and continuation here. Pretty slow. We have 5 minutes until news comes out for all the builders out there. I used to be a builder. I could build it all. I can still build it all, which is pretty cool. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Piper. Good to see you here. Wick, Frost, Turtle Mug, good to see you. DSV, it's in the game. Good morning, man. Good to see you, brother. Wick 589. Wrath, love from India. Thank you for being here, man. Don't want to get on your bad side. His name's Wrath. Watch out, man. And my hero, good morning. Good to see you, bro. How you been? Real Vida, Rashad, HB Fit, Dusty, Dave, James Simpson. I have a $600 account. How much should I trade? You should risk $6 per trade. $6 to make $18. Okay? That should be your target. That should be your target. What trading strategies do you recommend? If we're talking strategies, I typically share the strategies with the Discord members, but you're going to want to have some setups, some playbook setups, okay? You got to have a playbook, which means you got to back test. So you can back test. Maybe it's a 5-minute bullish divergence, okay? You got one right here. 5-minute uptrend, 5-minute bullish divergence into a golden pocket. How often does this hit? Right? Confirmation into the golden pocket. 3-to-1 risk to reward. How often does that hit? That's a playbook, right? Have you tested it, right? Do you know what it looks like? Do you know how to trade it? Do you know how to enter it? Right? It's all there. But you need to go and back test. You need to go, okay, this is my playbook. This is my oscillator. This is my VWAP. Maybe it's a VWAP reclaim continuation trade, right? VWAP reclaim continuation trade. Okay, you're going to have to go in and kind of digest price action because price action will be your number one indicator. Always. Price action is king. Okay? Because it's real. It's right in front of your face. It's there. It's live. These are all lagging. Everything here is lagging. Okay, there's nothing that's front running. You can predict with your market cipher. You can predict that you have decreasing volume. You can predict, but nothing is relevant in comparison to price action. That's just the way it is, okay? This is just everybody's emotions on the charts. That's all this is. But you can make money off of them. Okay? But you're going to have to test, right? Order blocks. I always suggest like 3 to 4, an oscillator, a volume indicator, and then some sort of pivot, order block, fair value gap, okay? Right? Pivots, volume, VWAP, right? Fixed range volume profile, whatever you're into, man. I always say pick 3 to 4 and get good at them. Test them. Because you got to develop a relationship with your indicators or with your tools, right? It's like me as a carpenter. I have a hammer that I've been using for pretty much my whole life. I've swung an 18-ounce hammer my whole life. You give me a 14-ounce hammer, I feel like it's like a baby's hammer, right? It's the same thing. Tape measures, reading certain tapes, right? You got to have that fat max, right? It's like a different. It's just like anything, man. It's you. If you're a chef, your set of knives, how you sharpen your knives, your whetstone, whatever you're using, right? It's a tool to help you make money, right? And you have to treat it like that. It's not going to be perfect. Sometimes your saw kicks out on you and you miscut, right? Sometimes you don't account for the blade width, right? Yada, yada, yada. So it's like, it's all relevant. The Fat Max does rule all tape measures. I agree. You got to burn an inch, whatever you're into, man. Like, whatever you're into. Wick's wife, Fine 89. Good to see you. God bless you. The Wicks are in the house today. Brave Dave, I framed house 4 years ago. Nice. I love framing, man. What VWAP indicator? It's standard deviations up here. You can read it. Okay, standard deviations. I turned off the fifth group and the fourth group. Okay. Well, that was a lot of news, eh, guys? The news was so dramatic. Building permits, housing starts coming in hot. Okay. Nothing burger. This one came above. Building permits, which is good. Increasing. Okay. Housing starts decreasing. But nothing too dramatic here. We didn't get much reaction on price action here, so. No trade yet, just waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out on the live. We got almost 400 people in here. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking live trades. This week's been a tricky one. I mean, Monday, Tuesday, crushed it. I think we're 3 for 3 those 2 days. And then yesterday, we were 1 for 3. So that makes us 4 for 6, right? 4 for 6. Good risk management. We're winning, right? And that's it. This is never financial advice. Sometimes, you know, we were kicking a lot of ass come to yesterday, so that's the whole thing, right? You got to manage your risk. You got to manage yourself, your position size. It's always important. It's all good, man. 4 for 6, man. 2 to 1s. You're making money. That's it. I don't think people put enough emphasis on how many times you stop out in just a little bit of profit because the trade is about to go against you. It's a game changer. This is it. I talk to the Discord a lot about this. So you have wins, you have break-evens, and you have losses. Okay, there's especially in scalping, these will save your account. Okay. The break-evens, my friends, are the ones that will save your account, okay? And they're the like $100 losses, the $80 losses, okay? The $90 wins, right? If I go through this and I show you guys, right? We have $80 win, $80 loss, $60 win. These are break-even trades, right? $500 win, nice win. $100 loss, break-even trade. $300 win, $200 win, $300 win, $100 win, okay? So it compounds because I know when to cut them. I'm like, nah, I'm not staying in that, right? It's a discipline that these will save your account from having $300 loss, $300 loss, $300 loss, right? Because I know when to cut it. Okay? That's scalping, baby. That's it. But you're absolutely right, Dave. If you're uncertain, take it off. Take it off. Readjust, re-enter. Take the $50 loss. Take the $3 loss. Whatever you're risking. Minimize that. Small losses, small losses, small losses. How do you draw the red and green boxes? They're just the rectangle. Okay, the rectangle here. I always sort them. I have buy, sell, order block, golden pocket, all the fun ones, 786. They're just templates on the side here. The Otter Gang box. Look at that box. That one's pretty, isn't it? And the pink box. We all love the pink box. Nothing better than a pink box, baby. This is the special box. Oh, good fun. We like to have fun here. This looks like it's topping out. Rolling over a little bit here. Are we overextended on our 12? Not yet. Not yet. 24 trigger. Not yet. No patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Punching, I reckon. This breaks, yeah. I would expect this to roll over, depending on where low. I would like to see something like this. Whoop, right? It's always, for me, it's like you watch volume. Volume will tell you where price is going. Okay, so we get a big volume spike in here, so push up. So that's done a job. That's grabbed some liquidity, right? You see the volume here pushing back up. It's trying to push, but then you get a little bit of a rug down and a reclaim. Okay, rug down, reclaim on decreasing volume, and then a push back up in here. So this is telling you want to go this way. Now, you can't see these bars properly live, so you need to be able to see it on price action. Okay, and you'll see the spike happen. You'll be like, okay, it's pushing, so I get long, or whatever, right? So volume in the candles will teach you a lot, but you need to be able to see which way they're pushing. That's why a lot of people I think some people like footprints and stuff like that. I never got into that. Maybe one day. I think a very key thing is, like I said, pick 3 things, right? Trading doesn't need to be complicated. The discipline needs to be real. Right over here, man. Left side. Right here. Rectangle. I was trying to draw bat patterns with CVO yesterday. Guys, don't ever ask me to draw a bat pattern. He was laughing his ass off. I guess I'm not Batman. I thought I was Batman. We'll leave that to CVO. Oh, man. It's a ugly top. Very ugly top right now. Still waiting here. Has anybody's YouTube... You got 3 pictures on YouTube now, like it's fat? Is anybody else's YouTube looking like that? I can't... It looks horrible. Anybody else is looking like that? we're gonna keep you in your. You got to behave here. We'll give you 5 minutes. We'll see if you want to think about what you just said there. Sponsorship. My my YouTube. My YouTube is fat, so it looks like this. Look at Billy Goat Tails here. It's fat. Look how fat it is. I got 3 boxes here. I don't know how to fix this. Let's watch Billy.
Have you ever stayed too long in a situation
I love this guy.
that
I'm
was
going to watch this after the stream. Get the control panel for YouTube. No, I'm not zoomed in, man. I'm not zoomed in at all. It's all Billy's fault. Got continuation here. Nice push. Didn't like that top. Just coming down in here. Click the 3 lines at the top left. Oh, no way. Now I got 4. No. And zoom out. That's crazy. Top right, there's a layout setting for YouTube. I don't see it, Darren. I'm zoomed out. I'm telling you, I'm zoomed out. It just got all fat on me overnight. Like it just turned like, it's like it went to Krispy Kremes and went American on me. Is that too early for that? Yeah, I zoom out, but then I can't read the text, guys. Caveman use tool. You know it, Sniper. You know it, bro. Alt F4. Yeah, that's a good one. Good morning, you beautiful bearded Canadian crypto Jesus. Lunar Beaches, my man, bro. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Good morning. Good to see you. How's the prop firm trading going? Are you kicking ass or what? I love Americans, man. I want to become the 51st state. I just want lower taxes. If I'm being honest, I just want less taxes. I think Canadians are one of the biggest taxed countries in the world. After paying my taxes on Wednesday, oh my God. Someone save me. Some people could retire on that much. It's crazy. Alex, just move here. I've looked into it. I'm not even lying. Look at this. If I go to my YouTube, it's golf, exiting Canada. Look, exit taxes right here, leaving Canada. Top 10 things you must know. Look, I've looked into it. Trust me. Look, I'm exposing myself, okay? Hockey, the French debate, orb strategy. Okay? Not a lot of open mouth thumbnails recently, guys. Look at Face's Face got some eyes on the chart, baby. It's just golf, trading, and Leaving Canada. Alex, there's a magnifying glass. Click it and select default. At the top of my browser. No, man, it's not fixing it. Randy Hipper's in the chat. What's going on, Randy? We're trying to fix my YouTube. It's all fat. It's like it just had too much Dunkin' Donuts. Look at the hipper emojis coming through full force. Let's go. Otter gang. I guess they love you, Randy. See? We all love Randy here. So where are we moving then? I'm thinking like Barbados. Barbados? Do you guys say Barbados or Barbados? My wife says Barbados. Texas. Bermuda. Okay. I don't want to be in like no hurricane triangle, Bermuda Triangle thing, man. That ain't my style. I do like golf. I want to be able to, if I'm going to leave Canada, I got to be able to golf year round. I lived in Australia. Australia is beautiful. I lived in Sydney for a year. You just feel like you're on Mars. It's too far. It's too far from all other things in the world. Okay? Portugal sounds like a good option. I can't speak it in Portuguese. You know, I don't speak Portuguese. Looks like we're topping out here a little bit. It's been very slow in the morning, guys. Like, I don't know. I can't force this thing to move. Move to China? I mean, Canada's basically China. We might as well be China. We are building in the Cayman Islands. Okay, let's do that. Bermuda, Florida, Texas. I got Florida and Texas. I know, at least in Texas, I know Army Piper can protect me. Thailand? My wife's been to Thailand. She said we ain't London, baby. I can move to England easy. I've lived in Scotland. I've lived in England. Honestly, not a fan of the weather, man. My wife's British, right? Portugal. Don't come to Europe. Here it's over. Yeah, I've heard some bad things about Europe. Florida is the golf capital of the world. I like the sounds of that. Bermuda's a hole. Good to see you, Guile. We're just sitting here waiting for this price to make up its mind. We got a rounded top here. Could possibly trigger down, but still making higher lows on the way up here. Palau. Everybody here is from Palau, Massey. Portugal. I've been to Portugal. Portugal is beautiful. Good food, good people. Paraguay. I've heard some things about Paraguay. How's the dental in the UK? It's better than Canada, man. Yeah, it's the weather in the UK that got me, man. Like, I lived there for 2 years. I lived in the UK for 2 years. It's depressing, man. So where are we going? Portugal? Seems like Portugal, Thailand, Paraguay. What about Barbados? Anybody? Barbados. Move to Pakistan. I don't think so. Japan. I could do Japan. I could be a samurai. Absolutely. Like a really like Frodo Baggins as a samurai. Just a complete hobbit. They call me T Baggins. Free golf lessons when you get here. I don't know, man. I took some lessons. I feel like I'm a new man after this winter. Took some golf lessons, hitting 310-yard drives, crisp iron play so far. Got a nice backswing. Got a good bunch of lag. Hitting some nice draws. Okay, I've been playing some good golf. Hitting like 260, 280 bombs with my 3-wood off the deck. It's been I'm looking forward to the golf this year, man. I've made a lot of improvements. Sniper is suggesting I go to Iraq. It's nice this time of the year. Barbados, it's nice but very small. Okay, Greenland. Move to Egypt. I can do the. I mean, that's probably racist, but I'm not racist. We hate everyone equally, right? I mean, I think stereotypes in culture are the best. Like, I make fun of my Italian family all the time. More, I don't even know how to say that. Defiant. Mauritius. Cyprus. El Salvador. Switzerland. They're all telling us where to live. How do you say it? Mauritius? My wife just came in and laughed at me. Mauritius. What? How do you say it? Mauritius. I've never been there. She's laughing at Mauritius. What is it? Mauritius. It's like, what was the Torquay? When we were talking about a place in England, it's Torquay. And I was like, oh, look, let's go to Torquay. My wife's just dying laughing at me right now. Hopefully my son doesn't learn how to pronounce things from me. Sniper's Nightmare, you ever been to Torquay, bro? Oh, man. Yeah. Torquay. Torquay. I called it Torquay. In front of my wife's family, I was like, oh, look, Torquay. And her whole family was just laughing at me. Her whole family. Mauritius. Let's go, baby. Alexandra G, good to see you. Guys, this is no trade zone right now. Indoor golf is like outdoor. Yeah, I agree with that statement, Andrew Cameron. I'm shooting like with green concede on within 10 feet. I'm shooting mid 60s in the simulator. So like Pebble Beach, I'm shooting like 66, 67. Playing from the blues as well. I'm not playing from no whites. So it looks like Frost. We're moving to Narnia. That's the one. Darren does things. Yeah, snooze fest. Good thing we're all here to talk a lot of smack, right? So we're going to move to Cornhole, Croatia. Croatia's cool. They filmed a lot of Game of Thrones in there. I like castles, man. Afghanistan is beautiful. Hey, I'm from Torquay. You're from Torquay? That's awesome, man. I called it Torquay. You got to call it Torquay now. Move to Dubai. No taxes. Nice vibe. I want to be able to pinch my wife's ass in public, though, man. I get in trouble for that there. Mauritius is how you say it. I like Mauritius. That's better, man. This looks like a sell for me. See how this candle prints here. Still higher lows, guys. That's the problem right now. Croatia. Good morning, F1. Raj, good morning. What's your golf handicap? I honestly, I've been playing golf seriously for a year now. So one full season plus training on the off season. Now, I am athletic. I don't want to say I'm like super athletic, but like, you don't want to lose to a 5'4" guy in basketball, and I'm that guy who will do that to you. I'll break your ankle, but we won't go there. So, and I played like very high end baseball. We don't need to go into all the details, but I got hops. And you like that? I'm making myself laugh. We'll play some basketball in Vegas, okay? We'll play some basketball in Vegas and we'll see. Let's go. Basketball in Vegas all day, baby. All day. I used to touch glass. I'm 5'4" and I used to touch glass when I did layups, okay? We don't need to go there. But I got hops, I got handles. We can settle it on the court if you really want to. If you want to get lit up by a midget, okay, I'm that guy. Baseball, you name it. So like golf sounds like small man syndrome. Yeah, it is a little bit. I got some Muggsy Bogues in me. Okay. Getting lit up by a midget is my kink. Uh-oh, Mark Dutch has entered it. Paddle tennis? Okay. I mean, racket sports, I don't want to. I think Dave Digital wants to play me in tennis too. We can do that too, Dave. We can do that too. I'm here for it, man. So my golf, I don't have a handicap. I will have a handicap after this year. I was shooting last year. I was shooting mid 80s. Okay, like my lowest score last year was an 81. No. Was it an 81? Yes. I hit a on the 17th hole. 17th hole was a par 3 and I shot a 6. I was so close to breaking 80. I duffed it. Like I duffed it so bad. It was like I was playing so good that day. So let's get this straight. You're playing golf and basketball in Vegas. What other events in Vegas Otterthon? Well, we're going to do golf. We're going to do basketball, tennis. If anyone wants to lose money in ping pong, I'm here for it as well. We have a family ping pong table. I'll leave it at that. It's in the family. Okay. You name the sport. If you want to lose to a midget, you let me know, man. You let me know. You name the sport. Darts is not a sport. You don't mess with British people in darts either. Moto X, I can rip a dirt bike. Let's go, baby. Sack race. Skateboard championship. I still skate, man. So I can 3 flip. I haven't done many Alex versus Grappler. Yeah, right, man. That's not fair. Badminton, let's go. Baby oil wrestling. Inline skating. I skateboard, so I mean I back crooked a 5-set 3 years ago in Australia. Was that 3 years ago? No, 2 years ago. I used to skate every night in Australia. There's a sack race. Okay. Come on. What is your sport, everybody? Snowboarding? Can anybody snowboard in here? Let's play some paintball. I used to so I'll get out my paintball gun. I used to play snake and speedball. I used to play competitive paintball. But I'm down. I got a beautiful paintball gun still. I got all my gear. We want to play some paintball. I'm down French toaster. I'm not too good at pool, actually. Pool would be something that you guys could kick my butt at, possibly. I'm not bad. I used to play. I've played a lot of pool, but I wouldn't say I'm really good at pool. I'd say I'm just above average at pool, but construction, I'll whoop your butt. I'll walk circles around you. We just here talking smack, man. Plumbing? Man, I rap a bad line, man. I'm not that good at soldering. That's one thing. I'm a PEX kind of guy. Crimping and PEX. Airsoft is for people who can't play paintball. I train Muay Thai. I mean, you whoop my ass in. I took karate and Aikido. I do not want to be pretzeled. Let's keep it at that. You guys don't even have guns? That is a lie. We have our hunting license here. We have guns. Okay? No trade. This is rolling over right now. 903. Let's go. Defiant snowboarder for 20 years plus. Nice. Love it. Love it. Triple black diamonds all the way. Let's go. I love bombing a triple black diamond. I still hit the park sometimes. Man, we just here talking a bunch. Lazy Pex plumbing. That's the way, baby. That's the way, baby. Solder. I will play you at paintball. You are sniper's nightmare, bro. I don't want to mess with that. I'll show the Discord my gun. It's pretty sick. The die. I think it's a die 15, orange and black. This is what I'm rocking. My paintball gun. I can bring it on. I'd bring it on stream, but I'll take a picture of it if you want to see. I got a die 15 here. It's sexy. It's like a $1,600 gun here. This thing rips, man. I got a hopper like this as well. I'm set up, man. Like I got a nice setup. Speed feed, everything. Okay, roll over here. You guys are distracting me, guys. $905 right now. Nice roll over here. To be expected. There wasn't really a trade in here, though, guys. Rolling over here, sweeping the low. I was in a capture the flag competition once for paintball, and there was like this helicopter in the middle of the field. I'll never forget this. So like their whole team blitzed us, but the helicopter was like this, right? So here's the helicopter, right? And it's got the helicopter legs, right? I'm right here. And it has the pole that holds the legs. So they blitz. There's like 3 guys right here, and I'm right here, but I'm in line with the legs. So they keep looking underneath the helicopter. Like there's a big gap. So if we're looking at this straight on, here's your helicopter, and here's your helicopter legs, right? Right? There's your helicopter, and they're on the opposite side. So and my legs are in line with the leg here, so they can't see me. And I'll never forget it. I dropped to the ground and like unloaded my entire hopper on their ankles. And I've never heard so many grown men cry in my life. I've never. I've never heard so many grown men cry in my life. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Ah, ooh. So good. So good. I'll never forget it, man. I'll never forget it. Moments like this. Oh, man. Okay. I'm an ankle biter. Yeah, man. I am totally an ankle biter. You got me there. What about beer pong? I've retired from that game. Too much fun, man. Yeah, so bring your basketballs, your badminton rackets, your tennis balls, whatever you're into, to Vegas. We'll throw down, okay? Whatever you're into, we'll throw down. Rolling over here. Expected, but no setup here, guys. So coming into market open, a little bit of patience here. Order block here. Trying to push. Okay. Little overextension here on our 12-minute rolling over. Trying to hold, though, right? We still got our beautiful symmetrical triangle. Whatever flag, whatever you want to call this thing. Rising wedge. I don't know. Whatever pattern you're trading. Maybe you're drawing it as an inverse head and shoulder. I don't know what you're... For me right now, I want to see an SFP of the high, a rejection. So I want to see fake out this morning. I think people are getting a little bit bullish right now. That's what it looks like to me. So a little fake out into market open, and then a boop would be great. The Nas is really choppy right now, but is rolling over here. If we're going to come back down and retest, let's take a look here. Yeah, so liquidity resides at the bottom here. That was a stopping point here. So maybe we come back down to here on the NAS. Key support at 18,000. Okay. The SPY, I'd expect flat this morning, probably flat. Flat indecision, maybe a gap down. There just really hasn't been trades this morning, guys. I can't force the price action to move. So we just sit here and talk a bunch of smack about sports. Can you have lawn darts on a plane? I actually did my first skydive in Australia. That was by the beach. It was really cool. Really cool, man. Love it. Love it. Extreme sports, sign me up. Sign me up. I mean, I've ollied an 11 set. That's the biggest set I've ever jumped down on my skate. Why did I live in so many places? So for me, when me and my wife got together, my wife's from England, and it was just when COVID hit. So when COVID hit, me and my wife decided to travel across Canada. So we did a road trip across Canada for 40 days. So we went from Ontario all the way to BC, and we did all the mountains. One of the best trips of our lives. And we did all that for 40 days. And we did it when COVID hit, so there was nobody around. So the touristy areas were empty. It was absolutely incredible. You would have never been able to have a trip the way we did. I mean, we just took off in our car. I had a big old Impala with a small tent and, some money, and went on that trip. Then we flew all the way over. After we did that, I got a 2-year working visa over in England. We lived with my wife's mom for a couple months. Then we moved up to Scotland in Edinburgh. Right? And from Edinburgh, we went over to Portugal. We went over to Greece. Okay. Then we moved back to the Birmingham area. Then we moved, and then the pandemic was still going on. So we're like, F this. We're not going to Canada because they're just freezing people's bank accounts. So we flew all the way to Abu Dhabi, and then over to Australia. Lived in Australia for a 1-year working visa as a carpenter, living there. Started the YouTube channel. Okay. Went to Bali, then went all the way back this way to Canada, and now we're here. Okay, so we went on a wild wind adventure for about 3.5 years. And now I've been at home taking care of my grandparents for the last year and a bit. It's been a wild adventure, man. You got to travel. Now we're married and we have a kid, so life changes, and that's good. But it was an amazing adventure. Lots of fun. Got some really good videos of like our road trip and everything like that. Got 18 minutes till market open here. Guys, I can't force this thing to move, right? Right now it's just chopping. A little bit of patience. Where are you in Canada? I'm from Detroit. You're my neighbor. I'm near Toronto, so you're my neighbor. They say kiss me where it stinks, so I drove her to Detroit. That's a saying up here. Not trying to be rude. It's just a joke. Too far, Buck? Buck, was that a little bit too far? Let me know. Your wife's a Brummie? No, she's a West Midland. She's from Worcester. She's near Brummie though. You say Birmingham because it's the only thing that people know that's near her. She's a West Midlander. She's from Worcester. CT, I understand. Do you think it's going to dump or pump today? For me, bias is down. If we break here and we push, put in a higher high here, then okay, let's go up. Come for the highs. However, this is a lot of liquidity. I would expect a fake out this morning. Fake out and then rejection back down into this area in here. Looking for that sweep of 82.7. But this looks like it's rolling over right now. We do have a little bit of a anchor trigger wave in here. Let's see our hourly. That's updated. Hourly still suggests a little bit of room to the upside, but it's interesting. We got Jerome Powell in here rugging everyone, so gonna try and be patient today. I rushed a little bit too much yesterday, and that's never good. Never good. So we wait. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I know it's been a bit of a gong show. 460 people in here. 150 likes. I think we can do a little bit better on the likes. I would appreciate that if you guys wouldn't mind taking the time to do that if you are enjoying the content. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 till 10. Live trading. We're 4 for 6 this week. Been doing very well. I mean, yesterday was a little bit of a gong show, but how did I meet my wife? That is a story in itself, my friend. She was on vacation in Toronto with her friend, going out on the lash. Okay? It was her friend's birthday. And I was downtown with the boys, the whole crew, going out on the lash as well. On the lashes, we were going drinking. Okay? And I saw that beautiful butt miles away. And I ran and I started singing to her. This is true, by the way. I started singing to her. She turned around. She said, "Aya." And the rest is history, baby. Took her to play some ping pong. Took her to a couple bars. Just a beautiful British lady traveling, visiting Toronto. And the rest is history, man. The rest is history. Brilliant. And that was 3 years before we even started dating, everybody. I actually did sing to her. I sang Lady in Red. Can you imagine me singing Lady in Red? I was a bit drunk. Oh. Table tennis. Sorry, Jason. Table tennis. I did sing Lady in Red. Give us a sample. Not with my injured throat right now, okay? Coming down to VWAP here, 13 minutes. What did she like about you, Alex? Nothing. She actually didn't like me then at all. She thought I was a bit of a wanker. VWAP slap and play. You tell me that story. Lady in Red, Piper. Yeah, I got a bit of a cold. She's 5'6". She's way taller than me, man. I had to wear stilts in our wedding photos. The the platforms weren't enough, so I just wore stilts. She did think I was a proper nutter. An absolute proper nutter. She did. But remember we talked about proportions the other day? My saving grace. Stilettos, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. She was a hotter otter. Damn, Daniel. She doesn't. She she was she was she had green tip hair. Okay, but she was beautiful. She's always beautiful. I'm so punching. You have no idea. I'm punching so high beyond the sky, man. I'm so grateful. You have no idea. God bless you too, Jas. Sir, should we go long? Not yet. Not yet. Little fake out to VWAP coming into market open here. Patience. No trade for me. Retested previous lows. If anything, we're looking to short here. Mitigation of the low, continuation down. You do have a nice anchor wave coming in here. Still got a little bit of room on the 12-minute to push down. 24 toppy. 24 toppy. Trigger wave down as well. Hourly. Pretty flat. This is just chop. Okay. It's that 4 hour that got me in the feels, that kind of wants me to go long here. But I think there'll be a better opportunity if we wait. But yeah, targets down below us is very easy. We got a bunch of previous day targets that we can sweep down to if we are going to continue down here. However, we are bouncing off VWAP for now. It can be a little bit of a fake out and continuation downwards. So let's not be overexcited for the long right here. If anything, I would be going short here, but coming into VWAP's not necessarily the best idea. We can look to sweep all these lows in here. So coming down, sweeping all into here would be ideal. The NASDAQ kind of flat though, pushing back here. So we'll see if that wants to behave. Very uncertain, especially after Jay Powell yesterday. He just really didn't give us much. Got double bottom in here trying to bounce. This would be the bounce level initially. This looks like it's rolling over, guys. So wait here. We still got 8 minutes till market opens. SPY, I'm thinking gap down now. Gap down. Where's our USDT dominance here? Let me see. Yeah, so we're still holding this trend line here on USDT dominance. Massive trend line, okay, guys? So if we roll over this thing, I would look for that retest in the gig along, okay? That would be very bullish. However, as long as we hold this uptrend here, this is still very bearish, okay? Pardon me. So be aware of that as well. That's something I'm definitely watching. Solana long. That's looking decent. Didn't take it yesterday, but probably should have. Solana had a great push yesterday, okay? Interesting. Looks like we're bouncing a little bit back here. I would prefer something like this where then we go. A little sweep into VWAP. Market open has been absolutely crazy the last 3 days. Very volatile. So make sure that you got your Pampers on or whatever you're wearing. Depends. Because it's been wrecking people. Catalyst Play. Since I saw this YouTube channel, I suggested this to the mates. Awesome. Thank you for being here, man. Try our best. We try our best. Appreciate you being here. George Val. Careful with that bad internet. Thanks for being here, Lounge. You're a serial killer today. I like the 3 minute. I like to confirm off the 12 minute, but I like the 3 minute. 3 minutes kind of my baby. Thanks, Lucky Deal. Appreciate you, bro. We got 5 minutes till market opens. I'm gonna do it. I got a tinkle, and I gotta get more coffee. We might stay late today. If you guys behave yourselves, okay?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo.
All right.
Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Funny chat today. You guys are on one, yeah, for sure. From Finland, Wally. Welcome, Finland. Thank you for being here. Got people from all over, man. It's really cool. All right, so wait until market opens here. We got 3 minutes. Here comes the volatility. A little push back up here, okay? A little fake out at VWAP. Trying to push up. Liquidity up at the highs. Another interesting area. See if we can take it. We're looking for a little bit of a breakout in here. If we can get that, that would be great. Retest the previous highs. If not, right? We'll see if we come back. I would love a sweep of the VWAP, reclaim and go. That would be something I'm definitely looking for if we can get that. If not, we look to come for the liquidity at the lows and all the previous day pivots. Okay, we got a lot of pivots down here. So, pushing up here, lots of liquidity. Comes back for some of it, but not all of it. Okay, we got Jerome Powell over here. Liquidity in the lows here. So all these areas are interesting to me. And obviously we're interested in the tops, but to me, when looking at the price action here, what is most ideal is that we come down and sweep all this stuff in here before we go up. So we have liquidity in the previous lows way down here, but all of this in here is interesting in my opinion. So some sort of fake out continuation down. If we do break, we can look to jump on trend here. Obviously, we're trending up, so we don't want to just jump into a short without confirmation. That's going to be critical coming into the market open today. Okay, we want to be patient here and see what happens. A little bit of a pushback here, but very choppy. So be prepared for volatility. Make sure that you guys are using good risk management, always managing yourselves as well. It's been a good week so far. Let's keep it going. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel, smacking up those like buttons and doing your thing. We're always prepared, try to make the best decisions we can. Never financial advice, but we've been kicking some ass lately, so good job, everybody. Good old chat today. Nick Musgrave in the chat, what's going on? Are you short or long? I'm not in a trade right now. No trade, just chilling. Just chilling, man. My neighbors love this song. Are you blasting it? Let's go. Lewis, good morning to you. Rashad, good morning. Frost. How you doing, Nick? Feeling a little rough today. Go Arsenal. Let's go. Two brews. What do I expect? I just told you what do I expect. If this, then that, right? So if we continue to push here and continue up, we're looking for a breakout continuation. Market's open. Ring, 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 ring. Pushing up here. Remember we had a fake out yesterday. S&P gapping up. Okay, gapping up. Closing down. Rolling over. This looks bearish. Initially bearish. Let's not jump in just yet. Okay, initially bearish. Little fake out in the morning. Continuation up possibly. Just waiting here. Nice push. Retest the previous lows here. Possible short opportunity here. No trade yet. Just waiting. This is where I would short if we were looking. Okay. Pretty choppy so far. Really? Volume coming in here, rolling over. Indecision. 1 minute. Getting bought up here, a bit of a trigger wave down though, so patience. Still waiting here. Like I said, we want to see that sweep of VWAP. We want to see a push through VWAP and then get back up and reclaim. If we push through VWAP and we get back and reclaim, we can look for longs. If we push through VWAP and we reject candle close, we can look for shorts down. Okay. And this is no trade for me in here. Just waiting. If we start to push up, we're looking to mitigate these highs, possibly SFP, fake out to the upside for a short. We look to short here. We wait. Okay, still target up to here. 85,000 psychological level. Thank you everybody for being here. This looks like it needs to come down. That's what I see. Still waiting here. Slap here. Slap here. Anybody short up top here? Not enough confirmation for me to short here. Fighting VWAP here. Reclaim VWAP slap here. Let's see how this candle closes. Still waiting. 1 minute on candle. Getting bought up though. Potential long opportunity here, just waiting. No trade yet. 1 minute. Y'all can wait a minute. You can all wait a minute. Pushing through aggressively does mean short, right? If we push through aggressively and we retest and we look for shorts, that's why we wait here. Don't want to front run this VWAP and get wrecked, okay? Pushing through. Nas rolling over, yep. SPY rolling over as well. Anybody get short on that? Slap, slap, slap. We're hoping for the slap. Can we reclaim? You love my Canadian accent. Awesome. I don't even notice it. Obviously, I'm Canadian. A boot, the roof, Anoof, out. Okay. What else do you want me to say? Igloo. Nice reclaim here. Push back. I'm going to fire off a long. See if we can continue to push here. Off VWAP. I'm long. Tight stop loss here. See if we can push or not. Looking for a push here. Pretty tight stop. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Chilling in it. Chilling in it. We'll see if it pushes here. If not, we get stopped out. A little quick L. That's fine. It's got to go. Double bottom camel toe pattern here on the 3 minute. Got to laugh. You got to laugh. I'm going to come up to the highs here. Kind of battling the NASDAQ here a little bit. Gotta go, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Gotta go. Stop loss is just below this low here, guys. Little wiggle room. That's all. Not much. It's got to hold here. Come on, baby, push. Out and about. Camel toe pattern, yes. Yes, you see it? I see it. Don't you see it? What does that look like? I don't know. An otter foot? You want me to call it an otter foot or a camel toe? Camel toe is better effect, doesn't it? Not pushing here. Nas not bouncing either. Not looking good. This isn't looking good, actually. I don't like it. Got to go here. Otherwise, this candle, we're out. We're out and about. No follow through here. We'll follow through downwards. Last hope is here. Looks like we're getting stopped out here, guys. Unless it pushes from here, but not looking too good. Stop loss just below this low here. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push back. I don't know if this was rushed. I don't think it's rushed. I just think it's I don't know what to say about it. It's not going the way we want. That's it. We'll see if it does want to push back here. NASDAQ pushing back, a little bit of hopium here. S&P pushing back, a little bit of hopium as well. We're sitting in it. We're sitting in it. Push back, baby. Come on. You guys all like your patterns, eh? We got to be Christian here. Looks like we go to 82,000. Okay. There's some good targets down there, like we said earlier. You got to get above that VWAP. This would be the VWAP slapping for the short, right? This would be the counter trade here. Short down from VWAP down. Getting bought up here. Got to go, Bitcoin. Nice hammer candle. Continuation here. Push, baby. Come on, baby. Push. A nice buy up here. Maybe the camel toe pattern is playing out. We'll have to wait and see here. Pushing back in, retest to previous lows. Let's see if we get continuation out of here. NASDAQ trying to push. Falling down a bit. SPY trying to push. Come on, Bitcoin. Go, baby. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Come on. Come on, guys. Blow on that candle for me. Blow on that candle for me, please. Can you blow on it? Blow on it, baby. Come on, I know you guys can do better than that. Come on, guys. Push it. Push it, baby. Come on. Looking to take half off here if we get up to the standard deviation up here. Come on, Bitcoin. No? We'll see if she wants to go. Poor follow through there. Maybe it's just coming back for a little bit of late longs. NASDAQ rolling over a little bit, but not much. Not much here. Retesting this order block in here, right? Try to be patient here. See if VWAP holds. Bull divs in here. Poor follow through right now. I mean, good push up, but poor follow through after that. Orb is set. Yep. Thank you, guys. So orb, top of the orbs here, bottom of the orbs here. For all you magicians out there. It's got to hold view up here. Up 300, down 300, up 300, down 300. Not holding VWAP here. NASDAQ rolling over, not good. Got to bounce. It's that whipsaw price action, man. Whipsaw price action. Got to hold here. Chopping VWAP. I don't like chopping VWAP. Chopping VWAP's dangerous. Chopping VWAP is dangerous. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push. We got to go. We got to go. Time's a ticking. Time's a ticking. Push. Stuck in the middle with you. It's not helping, guys. It's not helping. Come on, Bitcoin. Just rub the magic lamp. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Trade Intuition. Good morning, Piper. Time to rock it. This is quite pathetic, to be honest. Upside down. I'm stressed and we're in the middle of the range. Yeah. I'm not stressed. I mean, the risk is on point. That's fine. Momentum is here, trying to push. Right? Or 12-minute, trying to push. Trigger wave here. Okay. It's all there. It's not a bad trade. Maybe a little bit rushed, but not too bad. We do have this threat in here. It's not a bad trade at all. Like I said, just maybe a tiny bit rushed, but stalling out right now, though. Yeah. Not bad. It's just a bit. I mean, you do have nice. We don't need a bias, anyways. Either way. See if we want to go here. It's got to hold VWAP and push. That's it, right? If it doesn't, whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. Nas getting a nice bounce. There's some hopium for you guys if you want it. There it is. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. A 3-minute here. 3 minutes a lot more healthier for us, okay, everybody? 3-minute camel toe pattern, baby. Let's go. Push it. Come on, baby. Push it. Push it. Push it real good. Push it. Push it real good. I haven't worked on that one in a while. Oh my God, that's effing annoying. Thanks for being here, man. Do we keep pushing it? Look, it's working, man. It's annoying, but it's making us money. It gets the people going. Don't make me get Jason Casper on here and get the pump song going. You guys know if I cut this, it's going to pump, right? You guys know that, right? You all are aware of that. Just so we all know here. If I cut this trade, it's going to pump. If I cut it, it's going to pump. Did I do it for the gang? If I cut this off, we're going to pump. NASDAQ ripping, baby. Do I cut it? Stop loss to entry? Come on, you guys tell me. Push Bitcoin. I need a candle blower here. We got a candle blower? Could I get a candle blower, please? Ladies and gentlemen, blow on that candle. Come on, Bitcoin push, man. Don't be a namby-pamby. My God. This price action's absolute bollocks. NASDAQ cooling off again. My God. Shocking. Come on, Bitcoin. Now it's going to dump on my ass. What is this price action today, friends? Can someone tell me? Is anyone out there? Is it me you're looking for? Well, this is fun. Jakes knows exactly. I'm live every single day. Crypto Caveman, Monday to Friday, baby. My God. Eight-minute trigger wave. That's what we're hoping for here. Let's go, baby. 8-minute trigger wave. Jeez. Talk about boring. Should be trading NASDAQ today then. We got 606 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. We're long right now. We'll see if this thing wants to push, but it doesn't look. Honestly, this is like turned into like I would say 60% chance trade here, trying to push up here. That's like, we got trend and we got a trigger wave and we got VWAP. Couple things. Besides that, not looking great. I mean, price action, that is. I mean, the trade could be all right. It's just this is garbage. Absolute garbage. Rubbish. Absolute bin bag. 15 more likes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. It's being an namby-pamby, exactly. This weekend will be low volume. It's a lot of uncertainty, right? So failure to push above these highs too right now, so Looks like lower now, doesn't it? Failure to make a higher high on NAS. Bottom of the orb, it's got a hold. Coming into 10 o'clock. I'm going to stay a little bit later, guys. Let's see if we do push here. Still waiting. Failure to get above VWAP. Well, hammer candle above VWAP, but still failing. This doesn't look good here. Probably going to head out, guys. This is kind of boring. Make some decisions. We'll see how it goes. Go have some breakfast with my son. I'd like to see a push up here. Doesn't look like it's happening though. It's trying, but might cut it. Should have cut it at $200 and reassessed, but is it going to pump now? Now that I'm saying I'm going to go? Very choppy, guys. Like this. What are we supposed to do with this? Last chance. Last chance, Bitcoin. Last chance here. Gotta go. Nah. Can we go? Come on, Bitcoin. 15 seconds. Push. $15, 3, 2, 1. Push, push, push. No push. See? Bad candle again. Doji, though. Doji engulfing. Try to engulf. Can you push here? This is like forced now. I'll probably cut a break even if we do get up to break even. If not, $300 loss. Not a big deal. That's enough out of me. Friends, can't make the price action move the way we want. That's fine. Another day, another dollar. I'll be updating the Discord today. Maybe we do a little live stream hangout. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you're new here, join us in the Discord. Subscribe. Thank you guys for being here every day. I do appreciate you guys. Some days you can't force it, which is good. We'll see how this trade goes. If it wants to push back, probably cut it, break even. If not, take the little $300 loss. That's fine. Move on to the next trade. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later on. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the